You write 1, start from 1 and go up to a natural number and come back to 1 in the descending order. Add all that numbers, and if you take a whole square root of all the numbers, if you take a whole square root of all the numbers, the square root of this number will be exactly the middle number where you have stopped the ascending series. That means the square root. That means if you add up all these numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10, and it becomes 16. Root 16 is 4. That means this number has come. We can take some small examples. Suppose I am taking 1 plus 2 plus 1. I have just started from 1 and I have gone to 2. Then again I came back to 1. That means it has become, according to the logic, the square root should be 2. When we can verify it, square root of 4 is 2. Successfully verified. And if I take one more example, I am taking 1 plus 2 plus 3 and I am coming back to 1. So it is 9. So this number would be 3 is the square root. That means square root of 9 is 3 itself. So now it is clearly proved that this kind of palindrome series, you can call it as a palindrome series, starting from 1. Friends, 0 is not involved here. Starting from it is only for natural numbers. And one more thing, you may get a doubt. If I can take any random numbers in the middle, suppose 6 plus 7 plus 6, if I square root it, will I get 7? No. For this random numbers somewhere in the middle, this technique is not applied. Okay, so we have to start from 1, go up to a natural number and come back to 1, come in the descending order and come back to 1 in the descending order and add up all the numbers, take a square root of that sum, then you will get this number as result. So if you take any middle numbers, you can ask me, sir, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, will I get 5 as no? It is not applied. It is not applied. Starting from 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n minus 1 plus n minus 1 and so on up to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. If I take square root of these numbers, then you will get n as square root. Okay. So in an exam, there was a question given to you like this. What is the square root of 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on 62 plus 63 plus 62 and so on plus 2 plus 1. We know the technique. So what should be the answer for this one? 63 will be the answer. The options are like this: 62, 63, 2 cannot be determined. Why can't we determine it? We can determine it. We know the series, we know how that trick works. So the answer will be 63. Option B would be the answer. My dear friends, I hope you liked our techniques and tricks. Please subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute.